Need to remove your smartphone from your Ford Tourneo Connect 2's Bluetooth? This video provides a straightforward guide to forget your paired phone, enhancing your privacy and resolving connectivity issues. This is specifically for the 2013-2018 models. Forgetting a phone from your Ford Tourneo Connect removes your personal data like contacts and call logs from the car's infotainment system. This is crucial when selling the vehicle, switching to a new phone, or dealing with persistent Bluetooth connection problems. Most importantly, it prevents unauthorized access to your information. Start your Ford Tourneo Connect 2. Press the menu button on the center console. Navigate through the infotainment system to Settings, then Phone, and finally Bluetooth or connected devices on some models. Within the Bluetooth settings, find the option labeled Paired Devices or Manage Bluetooth. This will display a list of all currently paired smartphones. Locate the phone you want to remove from the list. Select the phone you wish to forget. You should see options like Forget, Delete, or Remove. Choose this option. The system might ask you to confirm your choice. Confirm to proceed with the removal. After removing the phone, restart your Ford Tourneo Connect 2. This ensures the changes are fully applied and prevents the device from automatically reconnecting. Turn off the ignition, wait a few seconds, and then start the car again. If the phone isn't showing up in the list of paired devices, you may need to perform a system reset. Go to Settings, then System, and select Master Reset. Note, this will erase all Bluetooth pairings and other saved settings, so only use it as a last resort. Ford no longer provides active support for Sync 2 systems in the Tourneo Connect 2. This legacy infotainment system may experience compatibility issues with modern smartphones and features. To access modern features like Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, consider upgrading to an aftermarket head unit. This can provide better Bluetooth management and overall functionality. Regularly forgetting paired devices enhances your vehicle's security by preventing unauthorized access to stored data and reducing the risk of Bluetooth exploits. If problems continue after following these steps, consult a professional mechanic or refer to your vehicle's manual for model-specific instructions and potential software updates.